Hi, my name's David Sickles. Welcome to FE on the Road. You know replacing your truck's components is important. New tires and brakes are a no-brainer. Maybe you even replace the airbags. But how often are you replacing your shock absorbers? If it isn't often, think about the performance being affected by the many other, costlier parts affected by the truck's shocks, then go replace your truck's shocks. Shocks play a well-documented role in helping to prevent abnormal tire wear. Cupping and other uneven or premature wear are common symptoms of shocks that have lost their ability to help hold the vehicle's tires evenly against the road. Worn shocks can also contribute to accelerated suspension component and bushing wear, which can negatively affect wheel alignment settings and potentially lead to drive tire thrust and scrub angle wear. Shocks also play a primary role in controlling suspension movement and, in doing so, protecting the truck's airbags. Overextension of an air spring can cause mechanical damage of the spring and other components, leading to an expensive, unscheduled trip to the maintenance department. In addition, shocks on standard duty fleet vehicles help control weight transfer from the back of the vehicle to the front wheels when the brakes are applied. If the rear shocks are worn, the increased load on the front wheels could overheat and damage the front friction linings. Then there's the driver, who might feel the difference in vehicle steering, stopping, and stability when riding on worn shocks, and because of this, the truck can be more stressful to drive. Replacing your axle and cab shocks can help filter out noise, vibration, and harshness before they reach the driver. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.